Photoshop is one of the most popular software in industries like graphic and web design, photography, journalism, and many others. And that's because the wide range of tools it offers, the extensibility and simplicity to achieve great results with less effort. But you don't need to spend several hours or even weeks learning to achieve great things with Photoshop. In this course, I will teach you how to master the essentials, how to understand and handle your way across the interface, box of tools, menus, and we'll get hands-on with a couple of projects so you can learn by doing. My name is Adolfo, and I'm a systems engineer with more than 15 years of experience in the technology field. I've been a consultant for many companies across Latin America and Spain, and as a web designer and developer, I've been using Photoshop for almost 7 years now, and it's without a doubt one of the best tools I have the pleasure to use in my projects.